How to log in or sign in Trust Wallet account. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. First of all, make sure that you have installed Trust Wallet application in your device. If not, head over to your Play Store and search for Trust Wallet. Now this is the application that you should have in your device. Install it. Once done, tap Open, then tap on Get Started. Now here, if you would like to get logged into your Trust Wallet account, then you have to tap on Add Existing Wallet. If you don't have a wallet, you can tap on Create New Wallet and create yourself a new wallet. For today's video, let's click on the second option. Then here, tap on to Secret Phrase. If you have backed up to your Trust Wallet with Secret Phrase, you can tap on this. If not, you can also use Google Drive or whatever backup method that you have used. Now here, tap on any wallet. In my case, I'm gonna go ahead and tap on Multicoin Wallet. And at this page, you have to enter your 12 words secret phrase. Once you do so, tap on Restore Wallet. And just like so, if your secret phrase is correct, you will successfully get logged into your Trust Wallet account. And that is how you can do it. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.